Have you ever felt like destiny was trying to tell you what if the universe had long ago decided that you were the next big lottery winner? According to the ancient prophecy of Nostradamus, the stars aligned for 5 specific zodiac signs, giving them a rare opportunity to achieve untold wealth on April 21, 2025. A powerful shift in the cosmos will occur, with your zodiac sign among the chosen ones. If yes, your life could change forever. Stay with us as we reveal the 5 zodiac signs that are destined for sudden wealth and what it means for their future. You are one of the lucky ones. Throughout history, many people have searched for signs of great luck, hoping to discover hidden secrets about their fate. One of the most mysterious personalities in the field of prophecy is Nostradamus, a seer who lived in the 16th century whose predictions have continued to haunt the world for centuries. Many believe that his visions continue to come true, revealing important events including who will be the next king of the world. Destined for sudden wealth as April 21, 2025 approaches, astrologers have discovered a remarkable alignment of stars that suggests 5 zodiac signs are set to experience a financial miracle. This could be the moment when fortune smiles upon them. Their lottery luck is so much more than just a coincidence. In this video, we examine the stars, reveal Nostradamus' surprising predictions, and reveal the 5 zodiac signs with the greatest chance of winning big. If your zodiac sign is on this list, you may be closer to a life-changing fortune than you think. The mystery of luck and astrology. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to be drawn to wealth easily while others continue to work hard but struggle to make it? Is it pure luck, or are there deeper cosmic influences at play? According to astrologers, luck is not just random. It is written in the stars. Certain planetary alignments can create perfect conditions for sudden wealth, especially in the form of big lottery wins. In astrology, Jupiter, the planet of luck and prosperity, plays a key role in financial success. When Jupiter forms a strong connection with a zodiac sign, the chances of receiving unexpected wealth increase. Likewise, Uranus, the planet of surprise and sudden change, is often active when people experience big financial wins. Even Nostradamus himself indicated cosmic cycles of wealth. And according to modern astrologers, the year 225 is one of these times of extraordinary opportunity. But more than planetary alignment, the natural characteristics of your zodiac sign also play a role in your ability to attract and sustain wealth. For example, fire signs like Aries and Leo have a bold and fearless energy which makes them more open to taking big risks which can lead to wealth, while earth signs like Taurus and Capricorn have a natural connection to financial stability and material success, so they have a greater potential for growing wealth over many years. Astrologers have noticed that those who win in Lotto winners often have strong Jupiter or Uranus placements in their natal chart at the exact time of their win, meaning that while hard work and strategy are important, there are times when the universe itself determines your financial destiny. On April 21, 2025, a significant shift in the energy of the cosmos will occur, and 5 zodiac signs are in the right place and at the right time to receive tremendous financial blessings, so your zodiac signs are among the chosen ones. Let's delve into Nostradamus' prophecy and discover the 5 lucky signs of the zodiac, the 5 zodiac signs that are destined to win the lottery. Now that we understand how astrology and planetary alignments influence financial luck, it's time to reveal the 5 zodiac signs that, according to Nostradamus' prophecy, will experience huge financial breakthroughs after April 21, 2025. Each of these signs has unique qualities that naturally attract abundance, and with the right cosmic conditions, their chances of winning the jackpot are higher than ever before. Let's discover why these 5 zodiac signs are destined for incredible lottery luck. On 5 Aries, April 21 to April 19. The fearless risk-taker. Aries is a sign of courage, determination, and tireless ambition, ruled by Mars, the planet of action and power. Aries are natural go-getters. They don't hesitate to take risks. Their bold nature is the reason why they are one of the luckiest in gambling and sudden wealth. Why Aries is destined to win the lottery. On 5 Jupiter, the planet of luck and prosperity, will enter a favorable position for Aries, strengthening their chances of major financial successes. Jupiter's transit in Aries' house of fortune after April 21, 5 creates the perfect conditions for a big lottery win. Besides, Uranus, the planet of sudden change and surprise, is also aligned with Aries, meaning that unexpected blessings are on the way. This arrangement indicates that those who are willing to take risks, whether it is in buying a lottery ticket or investing in a high-stakes opportunity, can experience a life-changing reward. How Aries can boost their luck. Follow your intuition. Aries often feels right if you are drawn to a particular set of numbers. When you trust it, play when your energy is high. The best days for Aries at 225 are the days when Mars is in a strong position in their chart. Don't be afraid to gamble. Aries' luck lies in bold decisions. Fate is on their side, but they need to take advantage of the year. Could Aries be one of the biggest lottery winners at 2.5? If you are an Aries, the stars show that fate is on your side. Taurus, April 20th, May 20th. The lure of wealth. Taurus, ruled by Venus, the planet of money and luxury, has a natural connection to financial success. This sign is known for being patient, prudent and good at managing wealth. Unlike the impulsive Aries, Taurus takes calculated steps towards wealth, so they make sure maintain their winning streak. Why Taurus is destined to win the lottery in 2025. Jupiter will move into Taurus's financial sector after April 21st. 2025, making it one of the most promising years for wealth accumulation. According to Nostradamus predictions, during this time Taurus will experience an influx of prosperity, and for some it could mean a big win in the lottery. Another important factor is the continued presence of Uranus in the person, bringing unexpected financial luck. This means that even the most boisterous can experience an unplanned jackpot moment. How Taurus can boost their luck. Keep the same number range. Taurus thrives on consistency. If they have been using a particular number range for a long time, it could be 2.5 years before it pays off. Look for signs of luck. If Taurus notices repeating numbers or dreams related to money, it could be a message from the universe. Play under Venus rule days. The best luck in the lottery for Taurus comes when the Venus influence in the sky. Could 2025 be the year when Taurus' patient mindset on money pays off? Cosmic forces show that yes. Who else are the three remaining zodiac signs destined to win the jackpot at 2.5? Stay with us to discover the other lucky signs destined by fate for wealth. Leo, July 23rd, August 22nd. The blessed ruler of fortune. Leo is a natural winner ruled by the sun, which symbolizes power, success, and prosperity. Leos are naturally drawn to wealth and luxury, and often money itself comes to them. Known as the sign of leadership, if and bold financial steps, Leo has the natural ability to attract prosperity. Why Leo is destined to win the lottery at 2.5, according to the interpretations of Nostradamus prophecy. Leo will shine at 2.5 because the lucky influence of Jupiter will strengthen their financial fortune. Jupiter's energy will strengthen the lion's natural ability to attract wealth. Besides, the sun is the ruler of Leo, will be favorably positioned with important planetary transits on the 2.5, making it a unique year for sudden wealth. This alignment means that an unexpected financial boost, such as a lottery win, could happen to Leo this year. How Leos can boost their luck. Choose a game that requires confidence. Leo thrives on courage. Choosing a lottery with a high reward suits their nature. Choose numbers that have personal significance. Birth dates, lucky years, or even numbers related to past successes can bring wealth. Believe in their natural luck. Leos are naturally confident, and on the 2.5 it looks like the universe is ready to reward them for it. Leo's biggest financial win is coming soon. The stars show yes. Sagittarius, November 22nd, December 21st. The cosmic gambler Sagittarius is ruled by Jupiter, the planet of luck and expansion, making them naturally drawn to opportunities that bring big rewards. This fire sign is known for their penchant for risk and adventure, and when the odds are in their favor, they often hit big wins. Why Sagittarius is destined to win the lottery in 2.5? Because Jupiter is the ruling planet of Sagittarius. 2.5 seems to be a very lucky year for them after April 20th. 2.5 Jupiter's position indicates a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity for financial success. Sagittarius is also known for their spontaneous decisions, so they often buy tickets on the spur of the moment and then win big. This type of year can bring an unexpected wealth for a Sagittarius. How Sagittarius can boost their luck. Follow their intuition. If a Sagittarius suddenly feels a strong desire to buy a lottery ticket, they should follow it immediately. Look for signs from the universe. Sagittarians have a deep connection to synchronicities, and repeating numbers or lucky signs can signal that it is time to try their luck. Take a risk, even though the odds seem impossible. Sagittarius thrives on taking big risks, and 2.5 is their year to play big bets. Sagittarius could be the luckiest lottery winner in 225. All cosmic signs say yes. Who is the last zodiac sign destined for sudden wealth? Stay with us to discover Nostradamus' final pick for incredible lottery wins in 2025. Aquarius, January 20th, April 18th. The visionary surprise winner. Aquarius is one of the most unpredictable and innovative zodiac signs, always following the beat of their own drum. Uranus rules the planet of sudden change and breakthroughs. That is why Aquarians are known for their unexpected luck that comes at the most unexpected times. They may not be regular lottery players, but when they take a chance, they are often rewarded with fortune in unexpected and life-changing ways. Why Aquarius is destined to win the Lotto in 2025? According to Nostradamus prophecies and modern astrological insights, Aquarius will enter a powerful phase of financial transformation in 2025. After April 21st, Uranus will form a significant alignments with Jupiter, create a unique opportunity for luck and unexpected wealth for those born under the sign of Aquarius. This planetary influence shows that those born under the sign of Aquarius who take risks, whether it be buying a lottery ticket, making an investment, or even receiving an unexpected inheritance, can experience major financial breakthroughs because Uranus is known for being unpredictable. Aquarius often get their luck in the most cruel and unexpected ways, and at 225 it will be no different. In addition, Aquarius is an air sign, so they are naturally intuitive and have the ability to see patterns that others cannot. Many Aquarius lottery winners have reported a gut feeling that guided them to the right numbers or the right time to play. How Aquarius can boost their luck: trust their intuition. If Aquarius feels a strong desire to buy a lottery ticket, it may not be just a random thought. It may be a cosmic signal. Look for repeating numbers. Aquarians are deeply connected to numerology and synchronicities. If they start seeing repeating numbers, they should try it in the game. Take risks, even if they seem unusual. Aquarius often succeeds in doing things differently, and in 2.5 they will be rewarded for their willingness to take unusual steps. 2.5 could be the year when Aquarius takes an unexpected step and arrives at a financial paradise. The planetary forces strongly indicate that it could. Yes, what to expect after April 21st, 225, with the shift of cosmic energy after April 21st. 2025, the 5 zodiac signs chosen by Nostradamus will experience a surge of financial opportunities. This does not only mean lottery wins, it could also mean unexpected job promotions, unexpected inheritances, business breakthroughs, or even rare investment opportunities for those born under Aries, Taurus, Leo, Sagittarius, and Aquarius. This period will be a time of financial acceleration, meaning money will start flowing in. They are not expecting the unique alignments of Jupiter and Uranus to act as cosmic triggers that will open doors that previously seemed closed. But although luck is on their side, action is still needed. Here's how each of these signs will benefit from their luck after April 21st, 2025. Aries. Be prepared to take bold financial risks. Time for investment. Don't hesitate. Wait for slow but steady growth. Be patient because wealth will come in ways that will last. Leo. Seize leadership opportunities. Big financial rewards will come from being a leader. Sagittarius. Follow your instincts. If an opportunity seems right, take it without hesitation. Aquarius. Expect surprises. Be open to unconventional ways of making money. It's also important for them to be aware of financial opportunities that go beyond the lottery. Many winners quickly lose their wealth because they don't manage it properly. That's why it's important for those who feel sudden wealth to be smart about investing and plan for long-term stability. Plus, those not born under these lucky zodiac signs can still benefit from this powerful cosmic shift. Even if you are not an Aries, Taurus, Leo, Sagittarius, or Aquarius, you can still use this time to inherit by dedicating your actions to the energy of the universe. According to Nostradamus prophecies, 2020 will be a transformative year for finances, especially after April 21st. Could this be the moment when your fortunes will change for the better? The stars seem to be saying yes. Throughout history, the mysteries of astrology and prophecy have guided people to wealth and success. Nostradamus' predictions, along with modern astrological insights, reveal that the stars have long selected the 5 zodiac signs that are most likely to experience financial miracles after April 21st, 2025, whether through lottery, unexpected wealth, or strategic financial opportunities. Those born under Aries, Taurus, Leo, Sagittarius, and Aquarius will enter a phase where their chances of experiencing a lifetime of wealth return is at its highest level. But like any big opportunity, it is not just luck that is needed to succeed. It is also necessary to recognize the right moment to act. If you are one of the 5 lucky zodiac signs, the universe has sent a message that fortune is knocking on your door, but you need to be ready to open it. Even if your sign is not on this list, remember that the energy of abundance is available to everyone who aligns with the right mindset and action. Sometimes a bold step, a ticket, an unexpected opportunity, or a sudden decision can change your financial future. So as we enter this powerful time after April 21st, be careful of the signs, trust your intuition, and be ready to seize the opportunity. Who knows, the next big lottery winner could be watching this video right now. It could be you.